Hello children, welcome back to your SST class. Yesterday I have finished till the political divisions of our neighboring countries of India. I mean India's political division we have discussed. Today I am going to discuss about the physical divisions. So yesterday I have already told you that physical divisions are comprising of five basic features of land. Hmm? The northern mountains, northern plains, Thar Desert, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, and island groups. Okay, today I'm going to discuss each and every aspects in their different form. The northern mountains. Now, northern mountains are mainly the mountains which are in the northern side. That is this one. দেখো ইন্ডিয়ার টপ এই বাঁদিকে যে হিমালয়ান রেঞ্জেসগুলো দেখছো এগুলো কিন্তু সব northern mountains. They stop the extensive cold winds to enter and our monsoon winds to release our country so that we get rainfall and good crops. These range of mountains are called northern mountains. Sorry. Most of them have rised from Central Asia and they are running parallel to each other. এদের মধ্যে the most famous are Zanskar range, Ladakh range, Karakoram range. South extended to Himalayan mountain ranges. Northern side Karakoram range of the extend করেছে and in southern side they have extended to Himalayan mountain ranges. Among these ranges, 9 ranges are the highest. They are the world's highest peak. Now, here different ranges are given. Himalayan ranges, Himadri or Great Himalayas, Himachal or Lesser Himalayas, Shivalik or Outer Himalayas, and the Purvachal Hills. These all are the divisions of Himalayan ranges. Himalaya তো একটা রেঞ্জ নয়, তার মধ্যে অনেক ডিভিশনস রয়েছে, সেই ডিভিশনসগুলো এই আগের ব্র্যাকেটে দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে। নেক্সট পয়েন্ট ইজ দ্য নর্দার্ন প্লেন্স। To the south of the northern mountain lie vast stretches of flat land, মানে plain land, যেখানে আমরা থাকি, that is extending from Arabian Sea to the Bay of Bengal. Now where is Arabian Sea? Arabian Sea. See, এটা হচ্ছে অ্যারাবিয়ান সি অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ বে অফ বেঙ্গল। এই পুরোটা কিন্তু প্লেন ল্যান্ড। এই যে দিস ইজ দ্য প্লেন ল্যান্ড এরিয়া অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ দ্য হিমালয়ান রেঞ্জেস। এই যে কারেক্ট, অ্যান্ড দিজ আর দ্য প্লেন ল্যান্ড। দেখো অ্যারাবিয়ান সি টু বে অফ বেঙ্গল। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড ইউ অল? So, the country, they are known as the northern plains. They have been formed rich alluvium deposits. Alluvium is a very major soil which is highly required for good crop, for good farmers. I mean, alluvium, if there is high amount of alluvium deposits, then the land becomes very fertile. It increases the fertility of the land. So, 3 main rivers are there who are bringing alluvium: Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Once again, Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Okay, they are mainly the tributaries. Tributaries means the main river. Distributaries means ওই river থেকে যে distributions গুলো বেরিয়ে গেছে, those are the distributaries. You must have read about tributaries and distributaries in your previous classes. Here, there is a description of Ganga plains, Indus plains, and Brahmaputra plains. Next comes the Peninsular Plateau. Now, what is Plateau? Plateau is the hill which is having flat top. Not too much flat like a table, but small top is not pointed. It is ফ্ল্যাট লাইক এরকম, মানে এইটা যদি টপ হয়, এই দেখো এটা হচ্ছে প্লেটু, আর টেবিল ল্যান্ড হচ্ছে এইটা, দিস ইজ দ্য টেবিল ল্যান্ড, ওপরটা বেশি ফ্ল্যাট। ওকে, মেন থ্রি ল্যান্ডফর্মস কনসিস্টিং অফ plateaus are two main plateaus are there, very important, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. What did I say? The Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Now, Peninsular Plateau is divided into two parts, Central and Deccan. Okay, Central and Deccan. Again, Central Highland is divided into two parts, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. What did I say? Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. ঠিক আছে? Now, next comes the desert part. Desert, you all know, it's a huge area, huge landmass which is filled up with sand. Only sand and sand and sand. No mud is there. So, the desert consists of low hills called bhakkars and lake beds called dhands. Dhand means dhundla, which is not clear, as because it is so highly, I mean, as you all know that sand gets heated very easily. বেশি ধোঁয়া হলে কি হবে, ওখানে একটা এয়ারে ভাইব্রেশন হয়, এরকম কাঁপতে থাকে, the air over the very heated part of sand becomes vibrating, আর অনেক দূর থেকে মনে হয় দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াটার, ওটাকে বলা হয় ধান্দ, ঠিক আছে, যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলি মরিচিকা। ওকে, আর ছোট ছোট টিলা টাইপের হিলস গুলো হয়, ইউ সি ওভার হিয়ার ইউ ক্যান সি small টিলাস লাইক highly inflated area, that is called bhakkars. As because the area is very dry, so agriculture is not very much highly possible and vegetation is also very less. Next comes second last part is the coastal plains. Coastal plains means তুমি জানো, আমি তোমাদের দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি, এই যে these are the western coastal plains and these are the eastern coastal plains. ঠিক আছে, coastal plains means the area which is near about the sea bed, সমুদ্র তট, সমুদ্রের কাছাকাছির area, that is the coastal plain. আচ্ছা, the western coastal plain lies between Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea, just now I have seen you, and the eastern coastal plain lies between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Understand? হয়ে গেল। Last is the island groups. Island আমরা জানি Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep group of islands. Andaman and Nicobar is also a group of island. Lakshadweep is also a group of island. Lakshadweep Island is having 36 coral island and Andaman and Nicobar is having 300 islands with it. তাহলে Andaman and Nicobar is vastly spread. It is having maximum number of islands. Andaman Nicobar এর কিছু islands সুনামিতে ডুবে গেছে, but rest of their islands are there. ঠিক আছে, some volcanic eruptions are also taking place over there, sometimes dormantly. Understand you all? This is where your lesson ends. I believe you must have understood it, the main criteria. Go through it nicely. Any doubt, message me. I'll definitely make you understand the part once again. Okay? Thank you.